In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file into QuickBooks Online. If you need to bring information from a spreadsheet into QuickBooks Online, this is a quick and practical way to do it. The import tool helps you move data from Excel into your account without having to type everything in manually, which can save a lot of time and reduce mistakes. As you go through this process, it's always a good idea to make sure your Excel file is organized clearly before uploading, so QuickBooks can read it more easily. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click that icon because this is where many of your account tools and settings are located. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Import Data and select it. This will take you to the area where QuickBooks allows you to bring in information from outside files. It's designed to guide you through the process, so just follow each screen carefully. Next, choose the type of data you want to enter. QuickBooks Online may give you several import options depending on what you're trying to upload, so make sure you select the one that matches your Excel file. After choosing the correct data type, click Import to move forward. This step is important because QuickBooks uses that selection to determine how your spreadsheet should be interpreted. On the next screen, select Upload. You may also notice that QuickBooks gives you the option to download a sample file for the data type you selected. This sample file can be very helpful, especially if you want to confirm that your Excel spreadsheet is formatted correctly before uploading it. If your columns match the sample layout, the import process usually goes much more smoothly. Now upload your Excel file from your computer. Once the file is selected, QuickBooks will begin processing it through the import workflow. From there, you'll be ready to continue with the prompts on screen, and that's essentially all it takes to begin bringing your spreadsheet data into QuickBooks Online. That's it. You've now seen how to upload an Excel file into QuickBooks Online using the built-in import feature. If you want the best results, double-check your file format and review your data before uploading so everything transfers as cleanly as possible.